Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will play with wash. For this medium, I suggest to begin practicing small projects. As you can see, I'm using a journal where I glue some watercolor paper on the pages and divide them in sections with washi tape. These are my wash sets. You can find them in tube or mini trays. I also have this airtight box palette for them, where I put some water drops to activate the colors again. And here I have some brushes, the ones I want to try and see how they respond to wash. For my first project, I will use this color to make a peach tone for the background, using white, yellow, red, and brown. I already had made this color for another work, so I just will add some water to activate it again. For these backgrounds, I will use a very significant amount of water so you can see that wash can be diluted very light. Now I'm using blue for my second background. Honestly, this wash looks very good for me, smooth and very well distributed. Now I'm gonna let them dry. Now I'm using green for my third background. Now I'm using blood straight from my tube, and see how rich and beautiful can be this paint. Now back into my first background, I'm using a watercolor pencil for sketching. I'm drawing a simple base. Now I'm taking some brown, mixing with just a little bit of water to finish it. I will use green and black so I can create the stem and leaves of my lemon tree. Now I just created simple and beautiful white flowers. Adding a little spark of yellow to the flowers and some green stems and simple leaves. I'm applying right now just white, and later you will see me putting some splashes of red on the top, so I will try to blend them, maybe creating a little light pink. My rose is looking pretty good, so I'm happy with it, and I'm just gonna finish it with some greenery. And for the last project, I just will make some long and beautiful leaf with some little white dots in the middle. And let me share some final thoughts that I have about wash. Yes, we are allowed to use water with wash. We can paint as many layers as we want, but every layer must be thicker than the previous one. And don't forget, have fun and explore every medium that you want and be creative. I hope you could enjoy this video and subscribe to my channel so we can continue learning together. Bye!